The climate is moist. Yes, you're right. Yeah.
Next. Wellington is the main city.
The capital. Yeah, the capital. Yeah. The other students are teachers for it. The other teachers.
I think there is a main university, yeah?
Victoria University.
Victoria University.
Industry, yeah? Industry, heavy industry.
White Harbour is the longest river in
New Zealand, yeah.
The animal of New Zealand, kiwi, it can't fly.
There are the main cities, yeah?
Beautiful cities.
Beautiful cities in the New Zealand. Well, two ports, yeah, the main ports of the New Zealand are
Auckland.
Auckland and Wellington.
The population of New Zealand is 3.5 million people.
The Prime Minister is
No, it's not.
Prime Minister, government.
Head of government.
He's the head of government.
Industry,
The highest mountain is
Yes.
iron and steel, yeah?
Iron and steel.
Iron and steel industry.
Rivers.
No, it's
Yes.
River?
river or
Lake.
Lake Taupo.
Taupo, yes.
Yeah, Lake Taupo. Taupo.
fruits.
And this is a cake, yeah?
Like a dish.
You cook it the whole night, yeah? Prepared for today. Okay, thank you. It looks delicious, yeah?
They cook fish in pit that is ground.
Okay.
And they include cabbage, potato, and that's a
Free potato.
Yes,
Free. Free potato.
free.
Chips. Free. Okay.
Yes.
Пустоширский соус. Брат мен таппадым, кәдімгідей соевый соус. Барлығы былай рецепт бойынша дайындалған. Кесіп берейін ба?
В конце сейчас.
Your predictions for this or for your future?
The gold bars, yeah?
Yeah, gold bars. Так, take one. Так, сейчас прочитайте каждый, да? Надеюсь, она говорит. Please, one by one, read your predictions. Салтанат.
You will buy a new flat in Aktubesu.
Have you bought a flat in October? No?
No.
Okay.
Super. Patte.
And love.
It's made from with love, yeah?
В общем, они пекутся на сковороде, их не жарят.
Не пекут, а жарят. Americans really love apple pies, donuts, and fast food, of course, because I'm American is fat. And our clothing, the United States is usually known for flannel shirts. Yes. Then these are long sleeve shirts that are typically made from wool. So cotton varieties are also available. Flannel shirts have been and still are a major component of North American clothing. So that's all, and we want to show you our dance. Okay, just.
Put your